AI is everywhere. But why did it suddenly become the future of work? AI is writing books, trading stocks, diagnosing cancer, and maybe even taking your job. But why did it suddenly explode into the future of work? The answer isn't what you think. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It writes articles, designs logos, powers self-driving cars, and yes, it might even be the voice you're hearing right now. But here's the real question. Why did AI suddenly explode into the spotlight? It feels like overnight, the world went from barely mentioning AI to everyone debating if it will replace our jobs, rewrite industries, or even outsmart humanity itself. So what changed? Why now? And more importantly, what does it mean for the future of work? And for you? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why AI didn't just appear out of nowhere, but why 2023 and beyond might be remembered as the moment it truly took over. The hidden history of AI. First, let's rewind. Artificial intelligence is not new. The term AI was coined in 1956. Back then, researchers believed machines could think like humans in just a few decades. Spoiler alert, it didn't happen. For most of the 20th century, AI was a dream. Computers were too weak, data was scarce, and progress stalled. This period was called the AI winter. But something quietly changed in the last 15 years. Data exploded. The internet created unimaginable rivers of information, billions of searches, photos, transactions, and conversations happening every second. At the same time, computing power skyrocketed. What used to take weeks of processing could now be done in seconds on cloud servers. And then came the breakthrough. Machine learning and neural networks that could finally handle this flood of data. AI didn't suddenly appear. It was building up like pressure behind a dam. And recently, that dam broke. The tipping point. So why did AI explode now? Three forces collided. First, computing power. GPUs, originally designed for gaming, turned out to be perfect for training AI. That made AI cheaper and faster than ever. Second, big data. Social media, smartphones, and online shopping gave AI the raw fuel it needs to learn. Third, user-friendly. AI tools. For years, AI lived in research labs. But when OpenAI released ChatGPT and tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion went viral, suddenly everyone could interact with AI. That was the tipping point. AI was no longer hidden in the background. It became personal. It could write your emails, edit your videos, brainstorm your business idea. And once people saw it in action, they asked, if AI can do this, what else can it replace? The future of jobs. Now comes the part that makes people nervous. Jobs. Let's be clear. AI isn't just a tool, it's a worker. It doesn't sleep, doesn't ask for a raise, and learns faster than any human. Already, AI is reshaping industries. Customer service chatbots that replace call centers. Copywriting tools that generate ad campaigns in seconds. AI-driven trading systems that move billions on Wall Street. Even doctors using AI to detect cancer more accurately than humans. But here's the twist. AI doesn't just replace jobs. It transforms them. Think about electricity. It destroyed candle making, but it created entire industries we couldn't imagine before. The same is true for AI. Some jobs will vanish, others will evolve, and entirely new ones will be born. The question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, will I learn to work with AI, or will I be replaced by someone who does? Winners and losers. So who wins in the AI revolution? And who loses? Winners. Companies that adopt AI early. They cut costs, move faster, and outpace competitors. Workers who learn to use AI as a co-pilot. Instead of fearing it, they amplify their productivity. Industries that thrive on creativity and personalization, where AI is more partner than replacement. Losers. Businesses that ignore AI until it's too late. Workers who stick to repetitive tasks AI can automate. And countries that fail to invest in AI infrastructure, falling behind in the global economy. This isn't just technology. It's geopolitics, economics, and society colliding at once. And history shows us something important. Every technological revolution creates inequality before it creates prosperity. AI will be no different. The human edge. Here's the hopeful part. AI is powerful, but it isn't human. It doesn't have empathy. It doesn't understand context the way we do. It doesn't dream. It doesn't feel. It doesn't imagine why things matter. That means the skills that make us human, creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, are more valuable than ever. The future of work isn't about competing against AI. It's about collaborating with it. Using AI to handle the repetitive, so humans can focus on the meaningful. If you think about it that way, AI isn't the end of work. It might just be the upgrade we've been waiting for. So, why did AI suddenly become the future of work? Because decades of hidden progress collided with the perfect storm of technology, data, and accessibility. Because companies and workers finally realized it's not science fiction anymore, it's here. And now, the choice is yours. Will you resist it? Or will you ride the wave into the future? Because make no mistake, the future of work is not waiting. It has already arrived. Subscribe for more insights on the trends shaping our world.